Ugh, God, I hate freaking mining trees. Hate it so much. I'm so tired of having to break every single freaking block on this tree. Takes so freaking long, dude. Wait a second. Didn't I? Didn't I install Tree Capitator on Xbox? Hold on. What if I crouch here and hit this block a time? Oh yeah, the whole tree falls down. Nice! Hey little Pigu. The whole tree falls down, that's right. Whoa, that's crazy. Well, I don't have to worry about breaking the whole tree anymore. What's up guys, it's your boy Materialized or Jax, back again with another motherfucking video. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get the Tree Capitator mod on Xbox One for free, super easy, in less than 15 minutes. So, I hope you guys do go to enjoy this video. And you'll probably be able to tell that I sound a little croaky in this video. That's because I'm super sick. I'm actually stayed home from school, blah blah blah, whatever else. I'm actually super sick, and I don't know why. It just came out of nowhere. So if I sound sick in my video, that's why, or any of the upcoming videos. I really do apologize. Try to bear with me here, but hope you guys go to enjoy today's video. It's been your boy Materialized, your Jax, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So to start this off guys, you're going to want to have 4 applications. You're going to want File Downloader, File Explorer, Microsoft Edge, and UFO.transfer. File Explorer is on your Xbox by default. Microsoft Edge should be in your ready to install. And UFO.transfer and File Downloader you guys are going to have to go download from the App Store. Once you guys have all 4 of these on your thing ready, what I do is I just put them all in a group so I can have them easy. You can literally click on them by pausing and hit like add to group, it should say, and that's how I get them all here in this easy space. But once you guys have all these downloaded, hit the middle button on your controller and go over to settings. Once you guys are on the settings tab, scroll down to display and sound and go to video output. Once you're on video output, go to video fidelity and overscan, and you're going to want to go all the way over to overscan border, and you're going to want to turn off this right here, which is apps can add a border. So make sure that your box is unchecked like mine is on screen. Once you guys have that done and you have all your apps downloaded, head on over to Microsoft Edge. Now I'm going to save you the trouble of going all through the like 20-minute ad session that I had to go through on my Xbox to deal with this. There's like a ton of, it's not AdFly, it's like adlink dot something, and there's like 15 or 16 ads that pop up and you have to keep clicking and verify. It's so annoying. But this is the link. This will be linked in the description. Normally you'd have to go and click this and it'd take you to tmearn.com, and there's a ton of ads there. But it explains everything, how you have to do it and stuff, but you don't need to worry about that because I'll explain all of it now. That will be linked in the description if you guys want to check it out though. But once you guys are on this page right here, go ahead and type in this link. Type in this link on your Microsoft Edge and you'll get straight here. If you guys can't see this link, there will be a bigger version of it on screen somewhere. It may be here, it may be here, it may be here. I don't know where it's going to be, but there will be a bigger version of it for you guys somewhere. So go ahead and type that link in that's on screen now. You guys can pause the video to type it, or you guys could just quickly type it. But once you guys have it typed in, you're going to hover over the download link right here. Once you guys are hovering over this, you're going to hit the pause button, which is the 3 lines on your controller, and you go to copy the link. Once you guys have that link copied, you're going to hit the middle button on your controller and go to File Downloader, the one that has the little silver cover like this one here. Not that one. The silver cover like this one here. You're going to go ahead and open that up. Once you guys have that opened up, it's going to take you to a page like this. You're going to go up to the top left and hit these 3 lines. Once you guys have selected that, go to the From URL tab and open it. From here, select the local storage. Now, some people were saying in my last video they couldn't see this. The reason you guys can't see this is because you're going to need to probably make sure you guys actually have some storage space on your Xbox. I believe that's the issue. I don't quite know, so don't quote me on that, but I think that's the issue. If you guys don't have any space on your Xbox, this won't be here for you to open. So once you guys see this, go ahead and select it. From there, you're not going to have any of this stuff in here, don't worry. You're not going to have any of this like portal gun, more ores, mutant creatures, don't worry about that. All you're going to have is a user agent.txt. But once you guys have the local storage thing here, you're going to come up to the top here, select this by pressing A. Once this menu pops up, hit B, and then hit the 3 lines in the middle of your controller, which is your pause button. Once the paste menu like this pops up, go ahead and select A on it. Once you guys have this pasted in here, you're going to come to the right and select this arrow right here. Once you guys have this in your box right here and it looks exactly like mine, local storage / treecapitator.mc pack, you're going to come to the bottom and select start. Now it's going to be really quick and it's going to download that there. You should only be able to see it for a couple seconds depending on your Xbox speed or your internet speed. But once that's there and done, you're going to go up to the 3 lines, select them, and then go to storage. From storage, select local storage, and then you're going to have what you just downloaded right here called treecapitator.mc pack. Now you notice these are zip files and this is just a blank file. So if you try to open it, it's going to pop up this box and says you need an app to install. You need to install an app for this. Don't worry about that, just hit no. What you're going to do to convert this file to a zip folder is hit the box right here and check that box. Come to the bottom right here, select these 3 dots and hit rename. Once you guys have this box open here, go ahead and hit RB on your controller and type .zip. .zip. Once you guys have that typed in, just as I do, hit B and then hit OK. Once you guys hit OK, it's going to turn that file you guys just had that was a blank file into a zip file. What you guys are going to do from here is hit A on it when you hover over it, and you're going to have these here. Now all this is the behavior pack. So you're not actually going to need anything else. You're not going to need a resource pack for this because it's not going to use any resources for it. You're only going to be having behaviors for this. So what you're going to do for this, once you have all these here, is go to the bottom right and select this icon here, and then click the icon right left to it, which is the copy. Once you guys have that copied, hit the up button, and you're going to go ahead and make a folder for that you could paste. So what you're going to do is hit this little bar up here, and you're going to type in BEH space tree. That's all I type in. Is you can type in tree capital C for Tree Capitator, but once you guys have BEH space tree C typed in, hit B and come to the bottom right and select the 3 dots here. Once you guys have those 3 dots selected, come up here and hit new folder. This is going to create a new folder for you to paste that in. So once you guys have this typed in and you're in your new folder, come to the bottom right and hit this clipboard icon right here. Before I click this, I do want to tell you guys, I was having a lot of people comment that they couldn't paste anything when they got to this part, and the reason you guys can't paste anything is because you did some sort of step wrong. That's all that I can tell you guys, because I've never had an issue where I can't paste anything. So you guys have had to have some sort of issue to where you're messing it up, you guys are doing a wrong step, some sort of thing like that. So once you guys are on this step and your clipboard icon is highlighted like this, go ahead and select A on it. Now this won't take long to paste at all because it's only 2 files and 2 links or whatever here. So once you guys have this pasted in here, you're going to want to go ahead and hit the middle button on your controller and open up UFO.transfer, which is the app that you guys downloaded just a little bit ago. And if you guys don't remember what that looks like, it looks like this right here. So go ahead and launch that app open. Now this app won't take nearly as long to open as the other one, so we're straight in here. And if you guys don't see this app, this little gear icon right here, that means you guys didn't follow the step that I showed you guys earlier, which was going and turning off your overscan border in the settings. So if you don't see this, go do that step now, rewind the video to the beginning, and check this out. Once you guys do see this gear icon here, go ahead and select it. When you've selected it, go ahead and select Open in File Explorer. Once you guys have loaded up your File Explorer, you're going to scroll all the way to the left and select Packages. From here, you're going to go down until you find Megascope's Universal File, and a lot of people were saying they couldn't find this. From here, you're going to, if you guys can't see it, hit Sort by Date and hit Newest on top. And once you guys have found your Megascopes.universal file, you're going to go ahead and open it. Once you guys are in this file, go ahead and hit Local State. From Local State, you're going to only see BEH Tree C and probably some other stuff, but maybe only this. Once you guys have found this, all you're going to do is hover over it and press the pause button. Scroll down to Copy, and from there, head back to Packages. Once you guys are back on this page, you're going to go look for Microsoft.Minecraft UWP console, and you're going to open that. If you guys can't find that, go look through every single file, because I promise you guys it will be there at some point. You guys just are overlooking it. But once you guys are in this file, you're going to hit local state, games, com.mojang, and then you're only going to have Minecraft Worlds and Minecraft PE in here. What you guys are going to do is make behavior_packs folder. Once you guys are on this, you're going to go ahead and make it by going to the bottom right here and selecting this icon right here. Now you're going to want to make sure you guys type it exactly as I do by typing BEHAVIOR, just as I do on screen. Now I already have this, so I'm not going to type in the whole thing, but you guys are going to type in BEHAVIOR_packs exactly as it's spelled right there. Hit B and then hit OK. But once you guys have this, don't worry, you're not going to have any of the stuff I have in here, but all you guys are going to want to do once you're inside of this folder, go to the bottom right and select the clipboard icon. Now this is going to pay super quick, which is behavior space tree C. Once you guys have that pasted, go ahead and launch open your Minecraft. Once your Minecraft is loaded up, you're going to go ahead and hit play. But you guys can choose to create a new world or choose one of your old ones. I'm going to create a new one just because it's easier. I'm going to create it, I'm just going to name it Tree CYT. So once you guys have your world named and whatever you guys want, make sure you guys keep it in survival mode, otherwise it won't work. But once you guys have that, you're going to go down to behavior packs, just as you guys see here under add-ons. And if a lot of people are saying they couldn't find the resource or behavior packs add-on section, and that's because you guys imported it wrong. And the reason I know this, you guys imported it wrong, is because you have to spell it exactly as it says on here, otherwise it won't pop up. But as you guys can see, it says Tree Capitator, remember to sneak, target Minecraft versions v1.12. So go ahead and select A on that and hit plus, and then hit continue. Once you guys have that added, make sure you guys go back to the game section, scroll down to the bottom list where it has all your world options, and you're going to want to turn on use experimental gameplay. Once you guys have that selected, go ahead and create that world. Okay guys, so once you're in your Minecraft, obviously it's Tree Capitator. You guys don't need an axe for it or anything, so all you guys have to do is go to a tree. You're going to have to crouch like this, and you're going to just hit the bottom of the tree, and as you guys will see, the whole tree falls down. So you guys don't have to worry about mining all kinds of trees, mining like 15 blocks on each tree. You guys can just hit the bottom of the tree and the whole entire tree will fall down. Just like this, boom, the whole tree fell down, and I am already at 21 wood. So just like that guys, I am straight, boom. You guys can mine all this you want, and you guys won't have to worry about mining a whole ton of wood every 5 minutes to start off. And already like that guys, I'm literally at 35 wood within less than a minute. And that's all there is to it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to drop that like button, hit the subscribe button down below. And yeah, make sure to stay tuned because I am uploading daily, almost every single day more than likely, unless I'm pretty sick right now and I'm still uploading, so there's not much that's going to stop me from uploading. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's been Materialized or Jax, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out guys.